I get a blue one for Ashanti?
A blue what?
A blue Stanley.
Oh, a blue Stanley for Ashanti?
Oh, thank you, baby.
Thank you
and do
so
you want
much,
one?
baby.
I might get my own. And you might get yours. You might get yours, Sammy.
Who, Grammy or Ashanti?
You, Grammy.
Oh, I want a green one.
Oh, you can't take one.
Oh.
Huh?
Left side out.
Huh?
Left side out. You can't have green one. You said left side out.
Why can't I have a why can't I have a green one?
Because they have blue, the yellow, green, the blue, yellow, pink, blue, and purple.
So purple, blue, yellow, and pink, but they don't have green?
No.
Okay.
Look, Grammy wants a green one.
Okay. It's it. You can take green.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for that.
These cars, Sean.
And what kind can I get? What color can I get?
I just told you, a blue one.
Oh, okay. Thank you, baby.
Oh.
And I'll get you a black one.
Huh?
I'll get you a black one.
And I better get my own stuff.
He's yawning.
You're gonna get your own self one?
Okay.
You forgot what you were gonna say?
Red.
Oh, red.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna get yourself a red one?
Your cards.
Yeah.
I heard.
I'm telling you, if I send you up there, I might get a couple $100. Or some shit.
Voice crack.
You tired, man?
Voice crack.
Did it?
Yeah, voice crack.
No, it didn't.
Happy Friday.
I think I might hold. You think I should sell the one I got for Christmas? I might keep that actually though.
Oh, yeah.
What, the sign one?
The one that I shot.
Oh, with the thing around it, the lamination and stuff.
He's yawning.
What did you say?
No, because I'm not in the game on because I'm not helping you, but it's too early. Stop it.
Sean, there's a lot over there. I got organized. What should I do?
Organize them?
Damn. I'm just thinking about it. Anybody got a pen and paper?
No.
Hey, that's enough from the peanut gallery over there.
You know what I want to watch? Edward Scissorhands.
I like Edward Scissorhands.
Screw that.
I just don't like the end though, cause it's sad.
I'll just put on the bird movie that I watched.
I always thought he was so cute.
Y'all, everybody watches every other movie, but never one Brian for some reason.
Actually, I was watching the bird movie and I got tired and went to sleep.
Mom, I put that on. Mom was like, "All right, I'm gonna go to bed." I was like, "Damn." And then seconds later, Sean was like, "Well, I got class at 6:30, so I'm like, well, fuck me, right?"
You're the one that was still watching it and you changed it to play the game with me.
Nick, cause y'all basically blew me off.
No, I was tired. I tried to stay up and I was like, yeah.
Last night I woke up like at 1 o'clock.
Everybody cares. Like, my feelings were a little hurt.
I woke up at like
I'm sorry.
Like y'all sat through a beautiful movie a second ago, so I was like,
No, we
boom,
actually sat
perfect
through
time.
two.
I was like, boom,
And then
perfect
to watch
time.
a third is a little extreme.
Come
But we
on,
still
Sean.
watched like almost halfway through the third.
I actually gotta get blood. I'm all out, Mom.